Okay, I'm trying to. I'm going to replace the transmission mounts while the engine is still not connected because, well, it's accessible right now, and I guess it will still be accessible later, but I can do it now. So I decided I was going to do this. So first I had to remove this heat shield, held together. They held there by three 10mm small screws, and then this is a 16mm. I used my 3/8" breaker bar to start it, to break it loose, and then it just comes off. Bolt and two washers, and I have. I don't know. Does it come with a new boot? I wonder. Perhaps I have to. Okay. So here's my brand new boot, and I just bolt it in. I guess I'd like to kind of degrease this part here, but you know, maybe I'll do it later. I need to get this thing squared away here. I just have to figure out what the torque spec is here. And it's tight enough, but that's what I'm going to do now.